FiberTape cerclage is a radiotranslucent suture that eliminates the need for metal cables and wires for fracture closure without sacrificing the strength or security of the repair. When cerclage is needed for fracture repair, the FiberTape cerclage system can be used to reduce and secure the fracture site. A blunt needle can be used to pass the cerclage suture around the fracture site. The cerclage suture tail is loaded into the eyelet of the needle and then is passed around the bone. Once the needle is fully passed, you remove the FiberTape tail from the needle and load it into the suture shuttle loop that is attached to the needle to facilitate a second pass around the bone. If preferred, there is a passing hook that could also be used to facilitate the passing of the cerclage suture. The hook is placed around the bone. Then the FiberTape cerclage suture tail is loaded into the eyelet of the hook along with a FiberLink suture. The hook is pulled back around the bone and the sutures are unloaded from the eyelet. Next, the tail of the FiberTape suture is loaded into the FiberLink loop to complete the second pass around the bone. Once the FiberTape cerclage suture is passed, the suture tail is loaded through the pre-tied racking hitch knot. A card is included to help facilitate the loading of the suture. The single tail is loaded into the loop and is then pulled through the card. Once the tape portion engages the knot, the card can be discarded. The suture should then be hand-tightened around the bone. The suture swedge is then cut to separate the two tails of the FiberTape suture. The suture limbs are loaded through the two holes at the tip of the tensioner and then loaded into the slot of the roller adjacent to the handle. The suture is then tensioned to the desired tension. The tensioner is pulled back and a half hitch is added. Again, the suture is loaded into the tensioner and the half hitch is tensioned to the desired tension to lock down the repair. Two alternating half hitches are then added by hand and the suture tails are cut, completing the cerclage suture placement. Additional cerclage sutures can be added depending on the size of the fracture.